Today I'm going to show you how to make a Saturday Studios me. The real name is Riley. First of all, you can't really see very well there, and it's not bleeding anymore, but yesterday I cut my finger on the glass, broken glass, and it's kind of hurting, so I'm just going to have to be careful. Second of all, I know it's me because I requested to Saturday Studios that he could make a me of himself and then post it on YouTube, so I could do the same. So yeah, and if you don't know Saturday Studios, like he said on my me video, he will probably comment down in the comment section down below, or I may be able to link his channel in the comment section down below. He did it. So and he's one of my best friends on YouTube. So yeah. So let's go. This face, none of these, and just pale, so just leave the face how it is automatically or defaultly. Oh, hang on. There we go. I just had to sync my controller. I want this hair, and go down to show more, and then do right next to black. So you probably want to select black and then go on show more, and then it'd just be right next to it. It's just quicker. These eyebrows, doesn't really matter how long it takes though, and that'd only take a little bit. So yeah, those eyebrows, these positions. Pause the video anytime you need to, and then go down to show more, and then the one next to completely black like the hair. These eyes, these positions, and show more, and make them that colour. Nose, you want this nose and these positions, so just keep the nose how it is. For the mouth, you want this mouth and these positions. And it's a black and white mouth, so it won't change colour, so it doesn't really matter, you just leave it how it is. No facial hair, no mole. He is a boy, so select male. Body, roughly about that size. If you watch his video, I'll link the video down in the description down below, and then you could copy it off there, and that's how to get it. That's the exact way, because I couldn't get it exact. So if you want to see the exact way for the height, I'll link his video in the comment section down below. No glasses. Favourite colour purple, and then type in Riley, R-I-L-E-Y. I've actually got another friend called Riley. That's my dad's friend's son. And click done. You have made one of my best friends on YouTube, Riley, Saturday Studios.